Good evening, students. Guys, just 1 second, students. We'll wait for a few minutes for others. Friends, how are you? How the holidays went? Guys, Vaishnavi, Kirtana, Arvind, Sanyu, Raghav, please respond. Will you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
How was the holidays? Enjoyed? Guys, some response.
Yes, sir.
It's not a question from any subject. Yeah. So where we are in inequalities? In inequalities, where we are? We done the analytical method of solving the inequality of single equation and two equations also. We are doing graphical method. Am I right? How to solve the inequalities using the graphs. Correct or not? Students, some response. What happened? Fine, everything? No one is responding.
Yes, sir. We started with the graphs.
Able to see the screen?
No, sir.
Sorry, my end is a small test. Yes. Yeah. Trigonometric test. How you done? Everyone? Trigonometric test happened now. How it went? Students, please respond, guys. So we already started how to find the solution set graphically for the single equation. We already started. So anyone can brief how to do it. Suppose if I am giving an equation, my equation is x plus y is less than or equal to, sorry, the equation is like this. Two x minus y, 2x minus y less than or equal to 8. How to solve this equation graphically? What are the method steps you have to follow? Students, please respond.
So we have to first draw the graph of 2x minus y,
Mhm.
and then all the lines.
So first assume this equation is 2x minus y is equal to 8 and draw the graph. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So usually I will take the x intercept and y intercept. So x, y, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 8. Correct? Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. So 4 comma 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1 and minus 0 comma minus 8. So 0 comma minus 8 if I am taking, this is 0 comma minus 8. So the line joining of these two is, so now because of the equality symbol, each and every point present on the line is also solution. But in this case, above the line or below the line is a solution. How I will know? So origin is on one side, the whole plane is dividing into two parts. One is origin side, one is other side of the origin. So I'm taking the given expression 2x minus y less than or equal to 8 and I'm substituting 0 comma 0 here. So I'm getting 2 into 0 minus 0 is less than or equal to 8 and 0 is less than or equal to 8. So it's a true solution. So if I got this is a true solution, what I have to do? What is the solution? Because of equality, including the points on the line, this is a, you have to take the hatching. You have to hatch the graph towards the origin. So the entire, all the points towards the origin side are the solution set of this expression.
Oh, sir.
Included and reason towards the origin side. Is it clear?
Oh, sir.
Yes.
Sir, so in this case, below the line is towards the origin.
We can't say below the line now. We can say it is origin side or non-origin side. So one side is origin is there, another side is no origin here. Correct? See, the entire plane is dividing into two parts here. The entire plane, if I am extending this line into infinity length, this entire xy plane is dividing into two parts. One part contains origin, remaining part does not contain origin. So we can say which side is the solution set. So origin side is the solution set, I can say. The points included and shaded region of the graph is the solution set of this. I can say like that. The point included on the line and as well as shaded region of the graph is the solution set. Instead of saying above the origin, below the origin, on the origin and all, you can say shaded region from the graph. Is it clear, guys, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So you can write this is the solution set 2x minus y less than or equal to 8. If I want to check, suppose if I am taking a point 1 comma 1 is here only. Check 1 comma 1. If I am taking 1 comma 1, 2 minus 1 less than or equal to 8. If I am taking any point in this region, suppose if I am taking a point here, check whether it is coming less than or 8. It will come definitely less than or 8. Is it clear, students? Understood? Shall I go for one more numerical? Suppose if the line is passing through origin, how to deal with that one? If the line is passing through origin, how to deal? The same method. I am not going to change the method. Suppose if my equation is x plus 2y, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 0. Assume the given equation is x plus 2y is equal to 0 and draw the graph. Here I can't take the x-intercept and y-intercept because the line is passing through the origin because the equation doesn't have any constant. So how to draw the graph? Same method. Instead of taking 0 and 0, I am taking x is equal to 1. X is equal to 2 I am taking. Then I will get x is equal to
-1.
X is equal to 2 if I am taking, y is equal to -1, 0 is 0, and if I am taking y is equal to 1, I will get x is equal to -2. Correct? So using this, if I can draw the graph. If I am taking the graph, 0, 0 is 1 point, 2, -1, 1, 2, this is -1. This is 1 point, -2, 1, 1, 2, -2, 1 is somewhere here. This is -2, 1. This is 2, -1. So the line joining which should pass through the origin. Carefully you have to do this line, it should be passed through the origin. Now, we don't know, here the line is passing through the origin. Which side I have to shade? That is important. Instead of saying above the line and below the line, please shade the graph, and shaded region is a solution. Because of the equality symbol, the points which is included on the line also is the solution set. But which side of the line I have to consider as the solution set here? So I am taking 1, 1. Is 1, 1 is one side of the line. So if I am substituting 1, 1, 1 plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. That is 3 greater than or equal to 0. It's a true solution. So I have to shade the including the line. So I have to touch this shading with respect to line. When I am writing the solution set of the given inequality is the shaded region, all the points lying in the shaded region, including the points on the line. Including the points on the line. If it is not equal, exclude points on the line. This is how you can mention including, excluding. Is it clear? Let me go to the next one. The last level of the topic. Usually this you can consider as equation of one variable. I consider this is a two variable with single equation. How to handle linear inequalities of two variables? System of linear inequalities, of two variables. Graphical solution of a system of linear inequalities. When I am saying system of, how many variables are there? That many of equations will come here. How many variables are there? That many of equations will come. If it is a system of three variable means three equations should give. Three inequalities they will give. So system of linear inequalities in two variables. So we will get two linear inequalities. Linear inequalities in two variables. Simple. They will give two inequalities. They will ask you to find out the solution set. The meaning of solution set of this system means you have to find out the x comma y value. Suppose if I am giving a solution set x plus y greater than or equal to 5 and x minus 5 less than or equal to 3. I have to give the solution set. That means set of some x comma y values which satisfy both the inequalities. Both the inequalities. That's the meaning of solution set of this system of linear inequalities. Understood what is the meaning of solution? Solution set is common. What are the variables? What are the values I can replace with? Sorry. What are the constants I can replace with these variables? Those all constants, the set of all the constants which can be able to replace these variables and which holds the statement is true. That set of all the variables is known as solution set of that expression. But here when I am getting two equations means how many sets you will get which can satisfy both the inequalities. Those pair of points or coordinates is known as solution set of system of linear inequalities. So here, what are the points we are going to give? It should satisfy for both the equations. Almost all, the process is same. A slight difference is there. We have to take the common shaded region here. What is the difference between shaded region and common shaded region? Suppose if my equations are like this, what is the equations I gave? X plus y greater than or equal to 5 and x minus y less than 3. X plus y greater than or equal to 5 and x minus y less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 3. Both are equality and inequality, and equality symbol is also there. The first case is draw the graph by assuming both the inequalities as the equations. Draw the graph instead of saying like draw the graph of all the given inequalities. So one is x plus y is greater than or equal to 5, but when I am tracking the graph, I have to assume this is an equation I am going to draw. Then only I will get the graph properly. So same way, put x is equal to 0 and we will get one coordinate, put y is equal to 0, we will get another coordinate. That method I am not going to repeat here. Straight away I am going to the graph here. X plus y is equal to 5, I am taking. This is a one line I got. Another one is x minus y is equal to 3. This is another line I got. So I am zooming out a little to understand how I have to discuss this one. So if I am taking the screenshot of this one to explain how to know the solution set of this equation. This is the graph I got by taking both the inequalities as equations. The black color will says, second, x minus y will be, this is x minus y is equal to 3. And this line says x plus y is equal to 5. That's the reason if I am zooming out, it is passing, it will meet at 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. So it is meeting at 5. If I am taking y is equal to 0, x is 5. So 5 comma 0, and this will be 0 comma 5. The coordinates you can see very clearly here. Anyway, so I am taking a point. How I will know which part? See, if I am taking the red color line, 0 comma 0 is below the line. When it comes to black, above the line. If I am substituting 0 comma 0 here in this equation, what is the inequality given? X plus y is greater than or equal to 5. So 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 5. 0 is greater than or equal to 5, which is not a true solution, not a true statement. So 0 comma 0 is below the line, so the solution is above the line. Or other side of the origin is the solution. This is the solution for the first inequality, including the points on the line. The shaded region, including the points on the line, and as well as shaded region points. And same as if I am taking 0 comma 0 with respect to x minus y, 0 minus 0 is less than or equal to 3, and 0 is less than or equal to 3. So the point is on this side. I am taking with the red color here. So 0 comma 0 is above the line, I can say, or one side of the line. So now my solution set is like this. This is the solution set of the shaded region, including points on the line. Including points on the line. Suppose if I am taking the region, there are 4 regions I can say. This is one region, this is second region, this is third region, this is fourth region. In region 1, the points which can satisfy only second equation, this is second equation, this is first equation. If I am taking region 3, it will satisfy only first equation. That means first inequality. In region 4, all the points which does not satisfy only the line, a few points will satisfy the second equation, second inequality, a few points will satisfy the first inequality. But if the region 2, the points which is available in the region 2 will satisfy both inequalities. How I can say graphically? The common graph between both the inequalities. See, what are the graph? This graph is intersecting the graph of the second inequality. See, this is the graph of the first inequality. This is the graph of the second inequality, where it is both the graphs are intersecting or overlapping. So this is called common graph. That graph is common for both the inequalities. So here, how I am going to explain my solution? So for inequality 1, I got one region. For inequality 2, I got another region. So when I am writing the solution, common region, common shaded region of the graph, or common shaded region of the graph, which includes points lies on the inequalities. So this is a solution set of the points on the, or you can give the name also. You can take some A, this intersection is E, and this is B. You can say like the points on the part of AE and EB, and as well as common shaded region of these two lines is the solution set of this system of linear inequalities. Is it clear, students, how to do? So the way how we will present is in your hands. Steps and all is in your hands. How we are going to present here, the way how we will explain it's in your hands. Main thing is they will look into the graph, they will look into the point of intersection, and they will look into the shaded regions, which is including, which is not including. You know how to represent it is not included. That one question we are going to do without including. Is it clear how to do system of linear inequalities? Students, anyone having any doubt? How to deal the system of linear inequalities? Students, please respond. Yeah. So now I'm going to do one more question. Rest of the questions you are going to solve by your own, and you have to try to present. Next class, tomorrow and after tomorrow we are having the physical session, so it doesn't matter. It will be easy to present. Now, solve the following system of inequalities graphically. They mentioned very clearly. The question is like this, means you have to solve graphically. You should not use any other method. The scope of this topic is more graphic method only. Solve the following system of inequalities, linear inequalities or inequalities. Graphically. (3x plus 2y greater than 5, x plus y greater than or equal to 1. So if I am taking 3x plus 2y, directly I am taking in graph this software greater than 5, because I am having an option of greater than 5. 3x plus 2y, I'm taking greater than 5. See here, if you look into the graph, when there is no inequality, when there is no equality symbol within this graph, the points on the line is not included in this software. Like see, if you see the points included or not included, you can see a dotted line. The dotted line says the points are not included. The region of the shaded region is the solution set of this. The shaded region shows a solution set of this. When I'm including the second equation, x plus y is greater than or equal to 1. So I'm taking both the equations separately. X plus y greater than 1, you will get another shaded region. See, this is a common shaded region, and same equation I have to take with equality symbol also. See, when I'm taking the greater than or equal, this I got as a straight line. I'm zooming and you can see the difference between this is just greater than and this is greater than or equal. The points on the line is included here. The points on the line is not included here. So how to handle this kind of question? It's very simple. The way how you are writing and drawing the graph, that will decide this question. Same. First, draw the graph with the help of inequalities. So I am assuming this equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, and I am assuming this equation x plus y is equal to 1. This is my assumption, and draw the graph with these equations. When I am drawing this graph, I got a graph like this. One graph is if I am putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5 by 2. So I will get a graph like this. And if I am taking x plus y is equal to 1, x plus y is equal to 1, I will get a graph like this. We will meet somewhere here. This is the point of intersection of these two graphs. This is the point of intersection of these two graphs. So now origin is below the lines. For both the lines, it is below. If I am substituting origin is here, so 0 is greater than 5. Wrong. So this is the shaded region, which should not include. So how I can write, how I have to draw this graph? The points are not included. How I will represent? So instead of drawing a straight line, you have to draw a dotted line. I will show you the dotted line with thick. You have to represent this graph like this because there is no equality symbol. You have to take the region, shaded region of the straight line, which the point on the line is not included. X plus y is greater than or equal to. See, this is also one more origin point which is below the second line. This is the second line graph, this is the first line graph. So 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 1, which is wrong statement. So you have to take the graph above the region lines, which includes on the line because of the equality symbol here. So what is the common region here? The common region is only this part. I will just highlight it. This is the common region. This is the common region. Suppose if I am taking A, E, B. The common shaded region, the points on AE is not included. The points on EB is included. Common shaded region, points on AE is not included because it is a dotted line, and points on EB is included. These 3 points will use a solution set of this. Is it clear, students, what I'm trying to say? Is it clear? Anyone having any doubt in this question? Guys, please let me know. Anyone having any doubt in this question? How I discussed this? So this graph The way how you are going to draw the graph and the way how you are going to explain your solution is important. Rest of all the things is like only for the just formal purpose. The table, which table you are using for drawing the graph, that you already know. That's the reason I'm not going to mention here. As many numericals as we have to cover, that's the reason different kind of numericals we have to cover. So now if three equations of two variables are given, system of linear inequalities of two variables with three equations, how to do it? Generally, when they are asking the three equations, it will be like a closed surfaces. Let's see one equation. From that, we can able to discuss that one. So my question is like this now. Solve the following system of linear inequalities. Graphically. My linear inequalities is 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20, x greater than or equal to 1, y greater than or equal to 2. See, this is my system of equations. It's actually very simple. I'm taking the graph and I'm using different color for this one. X greater than or equal to 1. How to draw this graph? Make this equation x is equal to 1 and draw the graph. What is the meaning of x is equal to 1? What is the meaning of x is equal to 1 from your coordinate geometry, guys?
Parallel line.
A parallel line. Parallel to which axis? X,
Sir, y-axis.
x is constant. So this is 1, this is 2. So x is constant means the points, the coordinates, x coordinates is always 1 here. This is like this. Parallel to y-axis and passing through 0, 1, 0. See, any point you take on this line, it is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 0, 1, 5. So x is equal to 1. If I am taking this one, y is equal to 2. Later we'll see. Y is equal to 2, how it will come? This is 1, this is 2. This is y is equal to 2. This is y is equal to 2. This is x is equal to 1. And the graph is x greater than or equal to 1. So x is a vertical line. X is equal to 1 is a vertical line. Left side is origin, right side is no origin. So if I am substituting origin point in this, 0 is greater than or equal to 1. So other side of the origin is the solution. So my solution set is for this is like this. Including points on the line and the shaded region is the solution of the first equation. So I'm taking this is the first equation, this is the second equation, this is the third equation. Including the points on the line and as well as, because all are equal. Y is greater than or equal to 2. If I am substituting 0, 0 in this, 0 is greater than 2. So other side of the origin is below the line, but origin is not valid for the equation. So above the line is the solution set. So for this, the solution set is above the line, including all the points. It will come like this. Including means I am touching the line and a line is a thin line or thick line, no dotted. No dotted means points included on the line. Now the last 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. I am making this is 5x plus 4y is equal to 20. I am making a box x plus y. If I am taking x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. This is 20. Sorry. If I'm taking y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. So 0, 5. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So 0, 5 and 4, 0. This is 4, 0, 1 point. 0, 5 somewhere here will come. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 0, 5. So this is a line. This is a line which is representing 3x plus 5x plus 4y is equal to 20. So this is the region represents y greater than or equal to 2. This blue color shaded region represents x greater than or equal to 1. Now origin is below the line and above the line is not no origin. So I am substituting the origin. So 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 20, which is a true statement. So my shaded region is below the region. Suppose I am taking the shaded region here. This is the shaded region. So how I can explain the solution set here? The solution set is here. It looks like little confused, but actually this triangle, including points on the triangle, is the solution set. Including, suppose if I'm taking this is a triangle A, B, C. AB is the line, y is greater than or equal to 2, and AC is the line, x is greater than or equal to 1, and BC is the line, 5x plus 4y is less than or equal to 20. So AB, we are having an equation, BC also we are having equation. So the region which is bounded with ABC lines, AB, BC and AC lines, and the points which is lying on the triangle is also solution set of the given system of linear equations. Or you can write like this also. The solution set you can write like this. I already gave the name which is bounded. So no need to shade, only you can shade common region with dots or lines, including the points on the line, and you can write common shaded region of the three inequalities and the points lies on AB, BC and CA. That's it. The points line segments, not lines here. The points lies on line segments, not all the points on the AB. Line segments mentioned. If it is line means line segment means line segment. Is it clear how to deal with the three equations? Is it clear, students? So while you are solving the exam, they will look into this A point, B point, C point exactly same or not. That points only they will mention and they will see below the line or above the line, and graph is perfect or not. Is it clear? Anyone having any doubt here? I can go for one question. Will you able to solve now itself? Is everyone having the graph paper with you? Students, please respond. Students, respond please.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to give one more question. Please try to solve by your own this question. Solve. See, if the solution is like this is called, the solution is a bounded region. Bounded region means it's completely closed. The points which is lying inside this triangle, including points on this triangle, is the solution set. So the solution set is a bounded region. Here the solution set is called the solution set is a bounded region. It's a bounded region. Now see another question. Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. System of inequalities graphically. So I'm giving 2x minus 3y greater than 4, 2x minus 3y greater than 4. Sorry guys, it's greater than minus 4. X plus 3y greater than 3. X plus 5 less than or equal to 5. Please solve this question. Please solve this question. Anyone got the answer? What kind of region you are getting? I will draw the graph. Let's see how it will looks. We'll give the final solution of this question. Let's see, compare with your solutions. When I'm taking the first equation, I'm switching phase to phase. When I'm taking the first equation, I'm making as an equation 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 4 x y. If I am using x is equal y is equal to 0, I will get x is equal to minus 2. If I am taking x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means which is approximately 1.33. 1.33. So if I'm taking the graph for these two coordinates, if I'm taking the graph for these two coordinates, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. If I'm taking this is -1, this is -2, this is -3. One coordinate is -2, 0. One coordinate is -2, 0. Another coordinate is 0, 4/3. So 1.33 somewhere here. This is 1 I am taking, this is 2 if I am taking, 0, 4/3 is 1.3. So the first graph is coming like this. So this is not an equality. So I am doing with the dotted line. Sorry guys, it's not looking like a straight line. So this is a straight line. This is the graph curve. We don't know 2x minus 3y is equal to -4. So above the line or below the line, how we will know? Again, origin test. If I am keeping origin here, 0 minus 0 is greater than -4. So 0 is greater than -4, which is the true solution. The solution is towards the origin. So I have to shade towards the origin. So instead of confusing, I am taking only a line towards the origin like this. So once I got the common solution, I will shade it. So towards the origin. This is a solution set for the first equation. When I'm taking the second equation is x plus 3y is greater than 3. X plus 3y is greater than 3. So I'm taking x plus 3y is equal to 0. Sorry, is equal to 3. X, y. If I'm taking x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, and y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. If I'm taking y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3, and x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So 0, 1 is the solution. 0, 1 is, this is the 0, 1 point. And 3, 0 is the second solution. So this is a, and this also should be dotted line. This is a dotted line. So this is a point of intersection, which is little bit left side of the second quadrant. The point of intersection is slightly left side of the y-axis and above the x-axis in second quadrant. So this is the equation represents x plus y is equal to 3. And if I am substituting the origin here, 0 plus 0 is greater than 3. And this is the below the line is the solution set. This is above the line, and this is the below the line is the solution set. Is x plus y 0, 0 is greater than, so sorry guys, which is not origin side, above the line. This is the above the line is the solution set, but points is not included on the line. The last equation is x plus y is less than or equal to y. So if I'm taking the solution set for here, x, y, if I'm taking x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. So 5, 0. So if I'm taking this is 4, this is 5. This is 1 point for that line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another point for this. If I'm joining, it's a straight line because it's a equality symbol is there.
Sir, what is the first equation?
The first equation is 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y is greater than -4. That is the first equation. Is greater than -4. So here the origin, again if I am keeping the origin is 0 plus 0 is less than 5. So origin side is the solution. So this is the solution set. If I am taking, I am getting the 3 points. This is A, this is B, This is C. So this is below the line. This is also this side and this is also this side. So the reason is like this now. I have to take the reason is like this. I am not touching the lines. It's a bounded region, first point. I can write the solution set consists the common graph of three inequalities. The solution set is common graph of three inequalities, which is the bounded region of triangle ABC. Second is the points. Suppose if I'm taking ABC is a triangle, the points which lies on BC segment does not include AB and AC lines. Should not include any points which is lying on AB and AC lines, not segments. If I am mentioning the segments, other than segment, rest of the points will comes as a solution. So carefully you have to frame the statements which will give the proper meaning. You should not take a statement with the improper meanings. So don't look into the grammar, just which will explain the solution properly. That's it. Is it clear how to explain? When there is a equality symbol comes in the inequality, proper inequalities. These are the proper inequalities. Anyone having any doubts? We'll meet in physical session tomorrow. Let's see.
Sir,
We'll continue. Yes, please.
sir, will we learn about linear equations in three variables?
Three variables is not there. Don't worry about that. Because three variables it doesn't form any plane equation here. It will be three-dimensional geometry, which is not part of two-dimensional. If it is coming three variable, it will comes under three-dimensional geometry. 3D geometry is not sorted for us, correct? And it is not at all there for your syllabus till +2. Might be it will come if you take pure math in your PG level. So
Okay, sir.
three variables it is not. Two variables of system of linear inequalities or two variables of inequality. That's it. Might be it will be three equations. Might be it is two equations, might be it is one equations. But major scope is single equation or two equations only the major scope. Why they included the three equations? We are having a concept called linear programming in our +2. Linear programming problems. There is a particular chapter. Definitely one essay question is asking every year from this chapter. So for that chapter, we need to know the in and out of the inequalities, how to solve. When it is, sometimes they may give four inequalities also with the two variables, 5 inequalities with two variables, 3 inequalities with the two variables. So how to get the common region, that is a solution set of all those system of linear inequalities of two variables. For that only we are doing this chapter here. Is it clear what is the scope of this chapter in +2?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we'll meet with few more numericals from the textbook. How to represent fractional inequalities on the number line. We'll discuss a few numericals in tomorrow class, and we'll move to the next chapter after finishing a few numericals. Might be after 1 or 2 sessions we are going to start the next chapter. Yeah, anyone having any doubts, or I will wind up the session. Shall I close the session, students?
Sir, tomorrow's class, what will be the timing for it?
Sorry? I didn't get it. Tomorrow class?
What will be the timing for it?
Timing as usual. Only Monday it will happen like this because of my school timings and all. Only Monday it is like this. That also I will try to change as previous back. Tomorrow class is like what is the previous schedule for us? 5 to 6 now? It is 5
Yes,
to
sir.
6, no?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it will happen 5 to 6 tomorrow. Tomorrow 5 to 6 as
Sir,
usual.
so if
Even today also I am
my-
I'm taking the class from institute only.
it will be like this.
Sorry? I didn't hear you, Nitish.
So every like this.
Every Monday only this month. I'm thinking only this month, or might be it will continue this 2 months. I can't assure you. If there is a possibility, I will come as usual timing.
Okay, sir.
So you will get about Monday every week intimation. You will get about Monday because of I am having the school things changed a little. I think everybody knows today onwards it's compulsory full time and all this government was passed. So that's the reason Monday is some meeting I'm having, and I'm having extra session also in school. That's the reason. So we'll meet in the next class. Bye everyone.
Thank you, sir.